Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of discard. Get rid of someone or something as no longer useful or desirable. For example, Hillary bundled up the clothes she had discarded. American pronunciation. Discard. Discard. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Discard. Say. Discard. Discard means get rid of. Discard. Discard. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. If this week's insights aren't useful, discard them. Now, repeat after me. If this week's insights aren't useful, discard them. The second practice. If you find damage, cut off, bag, and discard infested leaves. Now, repeat after me. If you find damage, cut off, bag, and discard infested leaves.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.